Welcome to Mile High Living. I'm Sam Boyd. Thanks for joining us today. We have officially stepped into October, my favorite month. And for me as a kid growing up in Michigan, that meant an annual trip to the apple orchard for climbing some trees and picking some apples. I don't know if they let you climb the trees anymore. They probably don't, but we're in the kitchen with recipes for your autumn apple haul. And I'm joined by celebrity chef Mark Kalix. Great to have you.
Glad to be back. Thank you so much. Welcome to autumn and welcome to apple season.
I know. Oh my gosh. Yeah. And you brought so many great apples, like when we're talking red, green, the sweet, the tart.
That's right.
What kind of ones are you wanting to use for recipes?
You know, most apples work very well either cooked or raw, but some apples kind of lean one way or the other. The red apple, or the red delicious rather, I think that's kind of your standard good old-fashioned lunchbox apple.
Right.
It holds up really well all day long, can get tossed around the back of the car, and it just holds its durability. It's delicious. But I'll tell you, all these crunchy apples, all the crunch comes from the skin. So anytime we're cooking with an apple, and I like a green apple for cooking, I find that it has a little bit more tartness.
Yep. Make
sure you're peeling your apple. There's a lot of ways to do that, but I like to take my good old-fashioned vegetable peeler and I kind of use it like a paring knife.
Like that.
Yeah, that way I'm not really in danger of cutting myself, because if you've ever nicked yourself with a...
trying to do an actual paring knife and do it that way.
And that's enough. You don't need to go crazy,
but
that's enough to get you there. And when I'm cutting apples, I don't get too deep into the guts.
Hey, Stabatha is back.
Stabatha is back. Yeah, always name your knife. The bigger the better with knives. Okay, I cut, turn, cut, turn, cut, turn, cut, turn, compost, and then I can cut this into whatever shape and size I need.
Right.
Apple
if you have
pie,
to slice it, dice it.
Yeah, or if we're making a salad, and this isn't cooking, but it could be. But you know, this is our champagne salad.
Yeah, so what's all in here?
Yeah, so champagne salad is something that's just champagne vinaigrette. So I've got champagne vinegar, and I make a nice sweet vinaigrette with either honey or maple syrup.
That looks really pretty.
Lots of fresh herbs. I like lots of raw onion, apples, of course. And I like either a Honey Crisp or a good old-fashioned Eaton apple in there.
What would this be like great as sort of a side to a main dish?
Yeah, this is either I don't feel like cooking tonight kind of food, or serve this with grilled chicken. I like this as a family style side. It's also very nice if you're looking for something for maybe a Thanksgiving side dish.
Yeah, and I'm looking, there's a little bit of celery, a little bit of red onion. What else?
All the crunchy stuff, the apple, lots and lots of fresh herbs.
So pretty.
Let's
you
taste.
make everything look so pretty.
Thank you. I'm gonna, here we go, let's taste. I'm gonna grab one of these right here.
Okay.
Yep. Thyme, rosemary.
I love the balsamic with that.
Thank you. Whatever you got kicking around, go ahead. Think about apples as not just for eating or lunch boxes, but also a really nice side. Great for Thanksgiving, like this. This is one of my classic appetizers. So apple chutney, golden raisins. I've got some red pepper in there for color. And I cook this, and this is something that's great canned as well, because of course when we're thinking about apples, we're thinking about canning season, preserving the season. And I like
a little bit of crostini.
Little crostini, and gosh, white cheddar, sharp white cheddar.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong.
Keep me away from that whole block. It'll disappear.
But for me, what I think about with a crostini like this is a nice appetizer, elegant, something that you can serve at a fancy dinner party that's celebrating the flavors of the season. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do one of those.
Pretty.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
All right, eating on camera. Here we go. Let's try to be.
And I have to take like a small-ish bite,
same.
but. All right.
Got
Chef,
it.
as I talk with my mouth full, we have about a minute left.
You got it.
You're talking fondue too, but
I am.
For me, this kind of seems like maybe a little intimidating. Do you have to have a fancy pot? What do you have to do?
You don't. So I've got some goat cheese fondue here, and I just melt goat cheese with cream. Again, fresh herbs and lemon. You taste the ginger? So
I
good.
love the ginger.
Thank you. Got a little kick to it. But what I like about goat cheese fondue is then you get to use raw apples for dipping. And the Honey Crisp, that's the way to go. And I'm going to leave the skin on because I want that crunch. And practice your knife skills with apples. This is one of those things that you can really show off to your friends and family. If you learn this little trick right here, or if you have a picky eater, maybe a kid who's like, gosh, trying to get more fruit into their lives, Go ahead.
Serve it up with cheese.
Yep, serve it up with cheese. Give it a little twist. Make it look beautiful.
So pretty.
And then dip that in your goat cheese fondue, and you'll be a winner.
I love goat cheese. I'm going to get in there. Thank you so much,
You're
Chef.
welcome.
And Chef Mark Kalix is the celebrity chef for Appliance Factory Fine Lines. You could even earn a free in-home cooking class or dinner party. Find out more information on his website at celebritychefmark.com. We'll be right back.